a step progress bar using HTML and CSS, as you can see on my computer screen. On the first two steps you can see this is a different color, and the third step it is a different color because the third step is active, and the last two steps are disabled because that has to be filled. It is very easy to make this kind of step progress bar using HTML and CSS. So let's begin this tutorial. So first of all, you can see I have one folder on my desktop, and let me open it. In this folder I have so many images, and I have two files, that is index.html file and one style.css file. I have already created these two files. Now I will go to my text editor, and here you can see I have already opened my files. This is the HTML file. This HTML file is already connected with the CSS file with this line of code, and this one is the CSS file. So let's come back to the HTML file, and first of all we'll come to the body area, and here we'll create one list. So I'm using UL, and in this list we'll write LI, list item will add here. So let me add one image here. So I'm using img source and the file name. Simply I will duplicate this one to add multiple images. Just I am changing the image file name. So this one is the second image. Now the third one. This is the fourth image. And one more. So here I have added 4 different images. Simply save these changes and open this web page with Google Chrome. Now you can see all these images in vertical alignment, and these images are too big. So let's come back to the code, and first we'll add one div here. So here we'll write div and one class name. So I'm writing class name progress. We'll close this div over here. Simply copy this one progress and come to the CSS file. We'll write it here, and for this progress we'll write img. So we will add some width for these images. So I'm writing width 80 pixel. So after refreshing this page you can see small images here. Now we have to move all this content in the center. So come back to the CSS file, and here we'll write UL, then text align center. After that refresh the web page, and you can see all these images in the center. Next we have to align all these images in the horizontal line. For that we'll add UL li, and here we'll write display inline block. So after refreshing this page you can see all these images are aligned in the same horizontal line. Next we have to add some space. For that we'll add width 200 pixel. So after refreshing you can see enough space between these images. Next we have to add some space from the top. So in this place I am adding margin 300 pixel auto, 300 pixel from top and bottom, and auto from left and right. After refreshing this page you can see enough space from top and bottom. Next we will add some background image. So let's come to the CSS file, and here we'll write body, then background image, URL, and the image file name. We'll also write background size, it will be cover, and background position, it will be center. So after refreshing this page you can see this background image over here. Next we have to add some content in this list. So let's come to the HTML file, and here we'll write P and the first title, that is select item. Simply I will copy it and add it into the second one and third one. Like this I will add this content in all the list. So second one I will change it to add to cart, and the next one it is fill details, and the next one make payment. and the last item is download ebook. So after refreshing this page, you can see all this text just at the bottom. Next we have to add some icons here. Okay, for that we need to add some font or some link. So simply come to the HTML file in head and just copy this one and paste it again. After that we will remove this one and here we will add the font awesome CDN link. To get the link we will go to the Google and here we'll search for font awesome CDN. Open this first website and from here we'll copy this one link and simply add it here. After adding this font awesome CDN link, again come to the Google and search for font awesome icons. Open the first website and on this website you can find any kind of icons that you want to use. So I will search for check. So here is the check icon and open this and just copy this a small code and simply add this code on the web page where you want to display the icon. We can remove this one, it is not required, and simply I will copy this icon in the second one also. Now we need the another icon, so again come to the same website and search for different icon. So this time I am searching for refresh. We got this one, just copy it and add it here. Remove this. Simply I will copy it in the next one also and will change it to times. This will be the cross icon. After refreshing this page you can see different icons also in different list. These contents are coming at the bottom because we made a small mistake. So what we have to do, we'll just copy this one progress and we'll add it here. And this margin will add here because we have to add a space on this progress div. That's it. Save these changes and after that refresh the web page. Now you can see all these items are on the right place. Still we have to align this icon in the center. For that we'll come to the HTML file and here we'll write BR. Simply I will add this BR in all the list. That's it. Save these changes and refresh the web page. Now you can see this image, just below there is an icon and below there you can see one text. Now we will change the font style. So here I am adding font family and the font color also. So after refreshing this page you can see different font color and different font family. Next we have to add some space just below this image because it is very close to each other. So for this img what I am writing margin bottom, let's add 20 pixel. So now you can see enough space between this image and text. Now we'll add background color for this icons. So simply we'll add here ULLI, then after we'll write .fa for these font awesome icons. So for this one we'll write background, some background color, and we'll write width. Let's add 16 pixel and height also 16 pixel and color will be white. Border radius 50%. Save these changes and refresh the web page. Now you can see round circle over here, but still we need some space around this icon. So what we'll add padding 5 pixel. Now you can see enough space around these icons. So after adding this we have to add some horizontal line. So just copy this one again and here we'll write after. And for this one we'll write content, it will be blank, then background, any background color, then height will be 5 pixel and we'll write width let's write 200 pixel. After that, display block and position absolute. So after refreshing this page, you can see this horizontal line, and it is starting from this icon. It is not in the center. So what we'll write? We'll write left 0. So now you can see all these horizontal line are aligned at the left of this web page. So what we have to do, we'll go to the UL li, and here we'll write position relative. So after refreshing this page, you can see this line is aligned properly at the center. But still you can see we have some extra space over here. So what we have to do, we have to increase the width. So let me change it to 205. Now it is perfect. Now we have to move it upward. So let's write here top. Let me write 50 pixel. So after refreshing, it is coming here. Let me increase this one 100 pixel. Right now it is here. Still we have to move it. So let me change 110. So now it is perfect. But you can see this horizontal line is coming over the icons. So what we'll add? We'll add z index -1. So after refreshing this page, you can see this horizontal line is just below the icons. These icons are clearly visible. Next we have to add some colors for different progress steps. So just copy this one, and here we'll write ul li, and after that we will write nth child, and here you can see I am adding 3 because we will select the third list. And after that we'll write .fa because we have to apply color for this fa, and we are writing background, and here we'll change the background color. So I'm writing the different color code. So after refreshing this page, you can see different color for this third list. For this horizontal line also we'll change the color. So again we'll use the same concept. Just copy this one here, and again we have to write here after, and just copy this one background. So after refreshing this page, you can see this horizontal line is also in different color. Similarly, we have to add color for the first and second item also. So let's come back to the CSS file and just copy this one, add it here. Here we'll write nth child 1, and again we'll use the one more, that is nth child 2. That's it. And for this one we'll use some different color. So after refreshing, you can see these icons background color has been changed. And for horizontal line also we'll use the same concept. Just we have to copy it and here write after. That's it. So after refreshing this page, you can see this horizontal line color is also changed. Now we have to do one more thing. You can see this horizontal bar is coming before this first item and after the last item also. So we have to remove that part. To remove that part, we have to reduce the width of this horizontal bar. For that, we have to select the list. For that, we'll use ul li, and here we can use the first child. It will select the first li, and after that I'm writing .fa after, and for this one width will be let me change it to 105. So now you can see this horizontal bar width has been changed for the first item, but it is aligned in the left side, so we have to move it. For that we'll write left 100 pixels. So now you can see it is perfectly aligned at the right position. Similarly we will do for the last child. So just copy this one and add it here, and instead of first child, here we'll write last child, and here we don't need to write left, simply width only. So after refreshing this page, you can see there is no extra horizontal bar for this last item. Like this, you can easily design a step progress bar using HTML and CSS. If this video was helpful for you, please like and comment on this video, and do share this video on social media. Thank you so much for watching this video.